Hello everyone, this is Dr. Jamil Ahmed Mullah and you are watching Enrich Knowledge with Dr. Jamil. I welcome you all to my channel. Today's topic is using standard abbreviations of journal titles in references. Before I tell you how to abbreviate titles of various journals, please subscribe this channel, press bell icon and set bell notification to all to get more videos on pharmaceutical sciences and study related topics. So let's begin. Today's topic mainly deals with abbreviation of scientific journal titles which are used while preparing list of references at the end of any scientific writing. Use of abbreviation is very common in technical field, scientific papers and writing. First, let us see what is meant by abbreviation. Abbreviation is a short form of a word or phrase. For example, the government can be abbreviated as GOVT dot, doctor as DR dot, January, Jan, for example E dot G dot, from the Latin equivalent exempli gratia, and for limited LTD, and for kilometer km. Let us see some of the abbreviation rules for journal titles. The title of journals in Vancouver format should be abbreviated according to the style used in National Library of Medicine's journals in NCBI databases. Abbreviate and capitalize significant words in journal title and omit other words such as articles, conjunctions and prepositions, for example of, the, at, in, and. So the articles, conjunctions and prepositions used in journal titles are omitted while abbreviating. For examples, in Indian Journal of Pharmaceutical Sciences, of is omitted. Joint Commission Journal on Quality and Patient Safety, on and are omitted. Journal for Immunotherapy of Cancer, for, of are omitted while abbreviating. Journal on Educational Resources in Computing, on, in are omitted while abbreviating. Similarly, in the Journal of Bacteriology, the, of are omitted. Some of the words do not have abbreviations. For examples, drug, Indian, Asian, release. The common words or the terminology used in pharmaceutical sciences and biomedical journals. There are thousands of words written in abbreviated form, out of which I have selected few most commonly used words. Here is a list of words most commonly used in a scientific journal's name. If you learn abbreviation of these words, you will be able to abbreviate a number of journal names for referencing. In coming slides, I have illustrated this with examples. Let us see the first one, Indian Journal of Pharmaceutical Sciences. So it's abbreviated form. So Indian will keep as it is. We will not have any abbreviation for the Indian. For the journal, we have to take the letter, the first letter J, that is shown in as a bold form. Pharmaceutical, Pharm, PHAR, and Sciences, SCI. So look at this bold letters in this abbreviated form. So that can be written as a Indian J dot form dot SCI with a dot. Sometime we can also write without dot Indian J Pharm Science SCI. So we have to look at the instruction for the author. Sometimes the journal will consider with dot we have to write the abbreviated form of the journal, or sometime without dot they are going to be consider the abbreviated form of the journals. So in coming slides I am going to explain the abbreviated form with dot as well as without dot of the this abbreviated form of the journal. So another example, Indian Journal of Pharmaceutical Education and Research. Here we find the new term education and research. While abbreviating this journal, so we are going to write the first 4 letters of the education, EDUC and RES for education and research respectively. You can see here, so the journal can be abbreviated as Indian J dot Pharm dot EDUC dot RES dot, or if you are going to write without dot, so Indian J Pharm EDU RES. Let us another example, Indian Journal of Pharmacology. So this is the new terminology, pharmacology, and these are the letters we have to be considered while abbreviating of this pharmacology. Indian J Pharmacol is a abbreviated form of Indian Journal of Pharmacology. National Journal of Physiology, Pharmacy and Pharmacology is another journal title. So its abbreviated form, so we have to consider the NATL for the national, for the journal J, Physiology, Physiol, for Pharmacy, Pharm, and for Pharmacology, Pharmacol. Let us see, NATL dot J dot Physiol dot Pharm dot Pharmacol is the abbreviated form for this title, National Journal of Physiology, Pharmacy and Pharmacology. So another example, International Journal of Pharmaceutics. So here the new terminology, international. For the international we are going to consider the first 3 letter of the international, that is INT, for the journal J, and for the pharmaceutics PHARM. So this is the abbreviated form for this International Journal of Pharmaceutics, INT dot J dot Pharm dot. Pharmacognosy magazine. So here we can find the both terminologies are new for this study. So for the abbreviation, so we are going to consider Pharmacogn and mag for the magazine. You can see here this is abbreviated form, Pharmacogn dot mag dot. Journal of Control Release. So you can find the two terminology, the controlled and release. So as usual for the journal we have to consider the first letter J. For the controlled we have to look at only the control, and release here the abbreviated is not applicable. So we can write the J dot control dot release for this journal of controlled release. European Journal of Pharmaceutics and Biopharmaceutics. So here we can find the biopharmaceutics is the new term. So we have to consider the biopharm of this biopharmaceutics while abbreviating. You can see here EUR, that is for the European, journal J Pharm dot Biopharm. So this is the abbreviated form for the European Journal of Pharmaceutics and Biopharmaceutics. Indian Journal of Novel Drug Delivery. So here the novel is the new term, delivery is another new term. So Indian where it is abbreviated is not applicable, so we can write directly the Indian. For journal J dot, for the novel NOV dot, drug there is no abbreviation. For the delivery DELIV dot. So this is the abbreviated form, Indian J dot NOE dot drug DELIV dot for the Indian Journal of Novel Drug Delivery. Yeah, another journal title, British Journal of Pharmacology. So this British is a new term, so we are going to consider only the first two letter BR while abbreviating this journal title. So you can write BR dot J dot Pharmacol dot. So this is the abbreviated form for the journal title, British Journal of Pharmacology. Advanced Drug Delivery Reviews is another journal title. So here the two new terms, advanced and reviews, are there in the journal title. For the advanced, ADV is going to be considered for the abbreviation, and REV for the reviews is going to be considered for the abbreviation. You can see here ADV dot drug DELIV dot REV dot. So this is the abbreviated form for the advanced drug delivery reviews. The another journal title, Asian Journal of Pharmaceutical Sciences. So here we can find the new term, the Asian, and this Asian, the abbreviated form is not applicable. So we can write the Asian J form dot SCI dot. So this is the abbreviated form for the Asian Journal of Pharmaceutical Sciences. Journal of Drug Delivery Science and Technology. You can see the science and the technology, the two terms are used here. So for the science, SCI is going to be considered. For the technology, only the technol is going to be considered while abbreviating the journal title. You can see here J dot drug delivery, that is a DELIV dot SCI dot technol dot. So this is the abbreviated form for the journal title, Journal of Drug Delivery Science and Technology. Journal of Molecular Medicine. Here you can find the two new terminology, molecular and medicine. For the molecular, we are going to consider the first three letter MOL, mole, and for the medicine, MED. You can see here the abbreviated form for this journal is J dot MOL dot MED dot. Journal of Biomedical Nanotechnology. So the biomedical and the nanotechnology are the two new terminology here. For the biomedical, so the biomed, which is a bold letter, bold form is there, so that is going to be considered, and nanotechnol, it is the abbreviated form for the nanotechnology. So you can see here J dot biomed dot nanotechnol dot is the abbreviated form for the journal title, Journal of Biomedical Nanotechnology. Journal of Clinical Medicine Research. You can see here the clinical is the new terminology here. So we are going to consider only the CLIN, that is a clin, as abbreviated form for the clinical. So J dot CLIN dot MED dot RES dot. So this is the abbreviated form for the journal, Journal of Clinical Medicine Research. World Journal of Gastroenterology is another journal title. So world is the another new term which is used in this journal. So for world there is no abbreviated form, so we have to write as it is World J dot gastroenterol for the gastroenterology. So this is the abbreviated form for the journal title, World Journal of Gastroenterology. Journal of Pharmacy Practice and Research. Here the pharmacy practice are the two terms. For the pharmacy, PHA pharm, and for the practice, pract is going to be considered while abbreviating the journal title. So how we can write here? J dot pharm dot pract dot res dot. So this is the abbreviated form for the journal title, Journal of Pharmacy Practice and Research. Indian Journal of Experimental Biology. So the experimental and biology, these are the new term. So for the experimental, the first three letter, that is EXP, are going to be considered for the abbreviation form, and biol for the biology. So we can write here Indian J dot exp dot biol dot. So this is the abbreviated form for the journal title, Indian Journal of Experimental Biology. Hope you have learned how to abbreviate scientific journal names. We will be coming with more such kind of videos. Till then, have a good time. Thank you for watching.